sa inyong about phone. For Android, we have two. That is IMEI 1 and IMEI 2. Now we call this the DNA of your device. We use that to block your phone. If you lost your phone, nawala, kinawat, ginwa, kaya kabalo na misplace mo, may nakapulot. When that happens and feeling mo hindi mo na ma-retrieve, hindi na mabalik sa imo, you can request blocking or deactivation of lost mobile phone device. You request it with us. We have our online form, or you can go to our office, request a form. You write the IMEI numbers. You have it notarized. Why is it important to be notarized? Because you are testifying under law that that is your phone and that is your IMEI numbers. You give us proof that indeed that is your phone, your box, or receipt, or any proof at all establishing that that device is yours. Then after that request, we will verify using those numbers. We will deactivate and block your cell phone. You can also deactivate your mobile numbers, of course, that is with the in coordination with the public telecommunication entities. If you do not want to use the registered mobile number, punta kayo sa amin, we will deactivate it. Kung gusto mo may bago kang mobile number, you just need to register it. However, if you decide that you want to maintain those number, kasi alam na ng mga tao that that is your number, you request it sa telco. Telco will block the lost SIM card and they will issue you a new SIM card using the same number. If your phone is already, kumbaga, capable of the eSIM or electronic SIM, the telco will just register your eSIM sa phone. eSIM is walang SIM card. It's just a, kumbaga, software na lagay ng phone mo is ng SIM. Kumbaga, ito na yung SIM ng phone mo. So, hindi mo yan mawawala. So, it's easy also to reissue, kumbaga. But there are only phones na capable ng eSIM. Mga bagong phones natin are Android. But if your phone is still sa mga sa nano, micro, then you just request sa telco for the issuance of new SIM with the same number. Again, hindi yan libre. Telco will ask for a service charge with regards to that. Kasi they will use also expense, kumbaga, they will issue, may mga resources din silang gagamitin with regards to issuing your said mobile numbers. The activation and blocking will prevent other person from using your mobile phones or numbers. It will also protect your data. That is why it's important. If nawala, deactivate, report. Even if, kumbaga, yung cellphone, hindi na naka-attach yung SIM mo dyan at nawala, still request for deactivation. You can report text scams, of course, sa contratextcam@ndc.gov.ph. Usually, we pull that, and kung may case build up, then we refer that to the authorities. Or ndc.gov.ph contratextcam. The ICT has also those sa EGOV application sa phone, and all banking institutions, meron din yan namang ganyang tawag dito, website to report text